Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. In the year of the COVID-19 pandemic, it should surprise no one that the National Green Tribunal has prohibited the sale and use of firecrackers during Deepavali in the National Capital Region of Delhi and in urban centers that recorded poor or worse air quality in November last year. The directions expand on Supreme Court orders issued in the past and provide some concessions to cities and towns that have moderate or better air quality by allowing green crackers and specified hours for bursting. These stipulations are to extend to Christmas and New Year if the ban continues beyond November. The NGT took note that Odisha, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Chandigarh, the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, and the Calcutta High Court had already responded to deteriorating environmental conditions by banning firecrackers this year. The tribunal's reasoning giving primacy to the precautionary principle in sustainable development over employment and revenue losses is understandable. As the impact of COVID 19 became clear in March and there were fears of a case surge during the winter, it was incumbent on the center to work with the states and resolutely prevent the burning of farm stubble ahead of Deepavali. This annual phenomenon unfallingly fouls the air across northern and eastern India and imposes heavy health and productivity costs. In the absence of pollution from agricultural residue, there might have been some room for a limited quantity of firecrackers, although climatic conditions at this time of year of low temperature and atmospheric circulation would still leave many in distress. Only damage control is possible now, including steps to address the concerns of the fireworks industry. Even without the risk of a COVID 19 surge, it should be evident to policy makers that their measures under the National Clean Air Program, which seeks to reduce particulate matter pollution by 20% to 30% by 2024, must be demonstrably effective. By the government's own admission, there were 148 days of poor to severe air quality during 2019 in the NCR, down from 206 days the previous year. Many other cities have a similar profile but get less attention, with 40% of all pollution linked deaths attributed to bad air quality in leading emerging economies and some evidence from the US on higher COVID 19 mortality in highly polluted areas. It is time governments showed a sense of accountability on the right to breathe clean air. Tamil Nadu, where 90% of firecrackers are produced, has legitimate concerns on the fate of the industry this year, which producers claim represents about 2300 crore worth of output. A transparent compensation scheme for workers and suitable relief for producers may be necessary, although the longer term solution might lie in broad basing economic activity in the Sivakasi region, reducing reliance on firecrackers.